Welcome to Fort Clinch State Park, where history meets natural beauty. Hi everyone, I'm Bob Sell for the Friends of Fort Clinch, a dedicated group that proudly serves as the nonprofit citizen support organization. We are committed to preserving this treasured piece of Florida's past while helping it thrive in the present and inspiring the future. Every dollar we raise goes straight to enhancing the park. And one of the best ways you can help, become a member. For just $30 a year, a Friends of Fort Clinch membership unlocks incredible benefits. You enjoy 12 free entrances to the park every year, and you're welcome to bring a car full as your guest. Plus, you'll get exclusive invites to members-only events you'll never forget. Like our most popular event, the annual Vintage Car and Cannon Show. The fort comes alive with about 40 or 50 classic cars and nearly 1,000 visitors. Our attendees vote, and the People's Choice Award takes home the trophy. Great memories for the entire family. A special thanks goes out to Auto Legends Amelia for making this event possible. The next show rolls in on September 20th, 2025, so don't miss it. How about a great evening under the stars, astronomy night? It's a fan favorite. Our members and guests get to explore the night sky inside the historic fort, guided by the experts from the Northeast Florida Astronomical Society. Last year, over 300 attendees enjoyed clear skies, views of Mars and Jupiter, and a laser-guided tour of the constellations. And together, we donated 278 pounds of food to the Barnabas Food Bank. Now that's a night to remember. Then there's the annual membership meeting, complete with a candlelit dinner and living history tours. Reenactors bring the past to life, and you'll experience Fort Clinch like never before. It's an awesome experience for our members and guests. Want to do even more? You can support the park through a one-time or monthly donation. Big or small, it all adds up. Whether through membership or your generous donations, it all helps to fund historic restoration projects, sea turtle nesting survey program, equipment to assist park rangers, expand the park's renowned living history program, educational programming, and special events. This place is more than a park. It's a living legacy, and you can help protect it. And we can always use more friends. Become a member. Make a donation. Look for our volunteer opportunities and be part of something that lasts for generations.
3, 2, 1.
Friends of Fort Clinch, preserving the past, inspiring the future.